Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to fix mobile network problems in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17. First of all, go to the settings, then go to connections. Here, you have to choose mobile networks and click on network mode. If it is on other mode like LTE, 3G, LTE only, then you have to make sure that your network mode should be in 5G preferred. Okay, this will solve mobile network problem. If still it is not solved, then go to the settings, then go to general management, general management, and here go to reset. Here you have to choose reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings. It will ask your pattern for confirmation. Give it and click on reset so that network settings will be reset. Okay, if you have inserted two sim cards, here itself it will be showing you to select sim 1 or sim 2. Okay, choose anyone and do the same, and your mobile network settings will be reset. After that, just you go to restart your phone or switch off and restart your phone. Okay, see, just power off or restart. Okay, so that all networks mode will be reset, and all network problems you face in your phone will be clearly solved. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.